Hello viewers, welcome to the Betikrame Tech YouTube channel. Today I will show how we have solved our HMI hang problem. This is our secondary air blower unit. This is HMI. You can see from here we can change different settings. Like this is our state, and also from here it is easy. This is now running in auto mode. We say this is the system is auto mode. We can sense, but the HMI was hang stuck and it was not possible to change anything. This is the alarm base. There is no alarm and the floor is running. To overcome this hang state, at first we see our PLC, but there is no alarm, although the blower was running. To find out the problem, when the plant is at shutdown condition, we stop. That means power supply stop. This power supply off on and PLC restarted. But when the PLC started, we also again saw that the HMI is its initial state, that is hang state, and was not possible to change anything. At that time, we changed this Modbus cable. This is Modbus cable. This Modbus cable is connected. See, this is connected with our PLC CPU. And here is the power supply. And we send this cable from PLC CPU to HMI backside. And then after we followed that, the HMI is functioning properly. And from this, we are sure that this cable is defected and is not functioning properly. Then we opened this cable from here to here and then opened its internal screw and saw that inside this base or connector, one of the cable connection is loosened. And for that reason, the HMI was not functioning properly. The signal is not coming from PLC CPU to HMI. Then the loosened cable is connected properly and then tightened. And after that, we again change the cable from PLC CPU to our HMI, and after that, the HMI was functioning properly. In this way, we solve our HMI hang problem. For others reason, the HMI may hang, but this is one of the reasons. If anyone see that your HMI is not functioning, then you can follow this and you can check this Modbus cable. In this way, we solved our problem. Thanks for watching this video.